Hi guys, welcome to my Qigong YouTube channel. My name is Guy and I'm happy to be here with you in the forest. Today we're going to have a very special practice. We're going to work with sound and add movement to the sounds we're going to produce. So sound has a very powerful and healing effect on our bodies. It vibrates inside the body and it makes the whole body and all the cells of the body vibrate with it. So we are going to use that today. We're going to use first a sound that we're going to make coming from the lower stomach, from the area of the dantian, and the sound will be ooh. So you're going to make the sound with the shape of your mouth and also try to bring it from the lower part of the body. Feel how it vibrates and resonates in that area. So you can start by putting your hands on the dantian a little bit below the navel, and we start. Inhale. Ooh. And again, inhale. Ooh. And when you're out of breath, just take another inhale and go back to the sound. You can feel it vibrating in the body and maybe more in the legs. Let's go again. Inhale. Ooh. Feel the effect on your legs, in your body. You can do this for a few minutes, but we're going to move on to the next sound that we're going to produce from the area of the chest, of the heart, and this sound will be ah, and try to open your mouth as big as you can to make the sound stronger and more accurate. And we're going to feel the sound vibrating in the chest area and the arms. So inhale. Again, inhale. Again, inhale. Good. See if you can feel the sound vibrating also on the back part, on your shoulder blades. One more time. Inhale. Good. Again, you can repeat this sound a few times. but it's very good for the chest area and opening the breathing and the lungs and the rib cage. And the last one, the last sound we're going to do today is going to be from the area of the third eye, between the eyebrows, and the sound will be E. And again, use your mouth to emphasize the sound and the shape of the sound. You can use your middle finger to go with the sound as if you're pulling it through your finger from the forehead. Inhale. Usually the higher we go in the body, also the sound becomes higher. Let's go again. Inhale. And one more time. Inhale. Good. How do you feel at this moment? Feel the three different areas that we've been working with. So these sounds, they are like giving a massage to the cells of the body, and it's a very deep and powerful work. These three sounds are part of a more complex sequence of movement and sound. There are actually 5 sounds. We'll do them sometime in the future, but now let's just use a very simple movement to add to the sounds, and we're going to start with the U and go up to the A, and then even higher up to the E, and then inhale like this. So let's start. Inhale and exhale. Again, inhale. Inhale. Exhale. And again, inhale. Inhale, and we're gonna use these 3 sounds to say something like the word why. Inhale. 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 One more time. Good. Let's put one hand on the chest and the other on the lower stomach. Take a big inhale and let a sigh out, relaxing. One more time. And last one. Inhale and smile. And just relax, shake a little bit your legs, your arms. So thank you for joining me on this class in the forest, sound Qigong. I hope to see you next time on our Qigong class, and be well.